Hello everyone and welcome back to Foxy. I am Simran Lobo and today I will be creating a very last minute college going look for all the college girls since college has started all over again. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So let's begin with the first and the most important step of makeup is skin prep. We will be cleansing our face with a very basic wet wipe. You can use any wet wipe that suits your skin. After cleansing your face with a wet wipe, the next step will be serum. I'm using the Ola More serum. Just a few drops. Let the serum set on your skin for a few minutes and then we'll apply aloe vera gel. Just a pea size amount. Let the skin prep sit on your face for some time so that the nutrients may be absorbed. After that, immediately we'll start with our makeup. So the first step to any makeup is primer. Just a little bit. We use primer so that the makeup is set on one place. After you're done with your primer, we'll start with foundation. There is a simple trick to make your foundation last for a really long time and give a very nice and matte finish. Take a little bit of foundation on your skin. Use any foundation that is suitable to you. And then I'll be using a loose powder. Just a little bit of loose powder on the foundation. Take a beauty blender, mix it up. The mixture of loose powder and foundation makes your foundation last longer. So when you're going to college for an entire day, 8 hours, 9 hours, your makeup will last longer. Directly start dabbing on your skin. After you're done applying the foundation, you need to set the foundation. So I will be using the Miss Claire Compact Powder in the shade 20. And I'll be using a brush. Tap out the excess. So once you've set with your powder, your foundation will stay at place and it won't shift from your face. So now the next step will be eyeshadow. We will be doing a very basic eyeshadow so that it is quick to do and easy to do. I'll be using my Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me palette. I'll be using a fluffy brush just for the eyeshadow. So I'll be taking a very basic brown eyeshadow. Tap out the axis. First dab it on your eye and then circular motions. I'll be using just a little bit of the darker shade just to give my eye a little bit of dimension. Usually when you apply eyeshadow, you tend to have a little bit of fallouts. So you will be taking the same brush that you use for your compact powder and just dust off the fallouts. Just to complete my eye look, I will be using a little bit of shimmer, just a dab of shimmer on the inner corner. So I'll be using my finger. Eye look isn't complete without eyeliner. So I'll be using the Ice Matte Super Eyeliner. Just giving a small wing so that it doesn't look too fancy. I'll be using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal for the waterline. The next step of our makeup will be blush. I'm using the Miss Claire makeup palette. I don't want to be too pink, so I'm using a peach color. Smile. So our next step will be lipstick. Since I have used a very basic and very light makeup on my eyes, I'll be using a pop of color. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick. You can use any favorite shade of lipstick that you want. The next step will be makeup setter. I'm using the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. Before using any makeup fixer, make sure that you shake it well. After your makeup setter has dried up, the next and the final step will be highlighter. I'll be taking a fan brush and I'm using the M&M, which is Makeup and More Highlighter Palette. I'll be using the rose gold shade, which is a bit light and it looks very good. So this is the end look of our video, and you can use this look for your college, which is very easy and quick to do with the limited products. If you really like this video, then like, share and subscribe for upcoming videos, and follow me on Instagram, which is Makeover by Simran. Follow our channel Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.